Toby Sinclair. I teach at North Webster Junior High. If you'd like to send me an email, my email address is toby.sinclair@websterpsd.org. And if you're looking for other activities to do while you're at home during this time, you can go to the websterpsd.org and go to the COVID-19 portal. But today's video, I'm going to make an omelet in a bag. My kids bought me this apron and hat because when I do the Japanese cooking out there on the hibachi, my fried rice and my steak, chicken, and shrimp, this is what I wear. So I decided to put it on for y'all. So let's get started. First thing you do, get your water to boiling. So I got the, turn the knob up so it'll be boiling. Then you have to have your ingredients. I got 2 Ziploc bags, some salt and pepper, my knife, some onion, sausage, and bacon, because that's what I like in my omelet. I got my picante sauce for after it's all done, some cheese to go in it, and 4 large eggs. That's all you'll need. So in honor of Cajun Ninja, I'm gonna try to do what he does. Hi-ya! So there they are, chopped up. Didn't even need to use the knife. So now what I need to do is get my Ziploc bags. We'll see if I can set this camera down so y'all can see better. Yeah, that's better, huh? So I'm gonna take half the bacon. We're gonna make 2 omelets. Half the bacon, half my sausage. Put it in the bag. Half my onion. Put it in the bag. Take some salt and pepper. Put it in the bag. Take some cheese. Put it in the bag. Put whatever you want in this bag. Then take an egg, open it in the bag, I do 2 on each bag. You can do more if you want. Then you close up the bag, and you want to get that egg all around in there. Get all the ingredients all stirred up in that bag. By now your water should be boiling good. Set it to the side. Now let's do the rest. So we're going to put the rest of these ingredients in our bag. Just remember, you got to clean up your mess when you're done. Alright, got the sausage, bacon, and onion. Put some pepper. Put some salt. Put some cheese. Put a little bit more cheese in this one. Take 2 eggs. Close the bag and just mix all that stuff up in there. Mix it real good. Stir it real good. Now keep it on the bottom. Keep all your stuff. Make sure all your ingredients is inside with them eggs. Now I take the air out. Zip it back. Make sure this one's the way I want it, just like so. Take the air out of it. Zip it back. Now I'm going to set them in the boiling water. Now this shouldn't take about 5 minutes. So we're going to let it sit here and watch it boil. Okay, I believe they're ready. So I'm gonna get the plate, set it right here, get my picante sauce back, set the camera back up so you can see what I'm doing. All right, we'll turn the fire off. Turn the fire off. Now this bag's hot. Let it drip dry. Open the bag. Put it on the plate. Grab the ends and just let the omelet come out. Make sure the bag's open all the way. Set that aside. Let it drip. Open the bag. Make sure that it comes out of the bag without tearing. It's hot. I'm going to take my picante sauce. I like picante sauce. Pour it over the top. Let y'all get another view of it. There she is. Omelet in a bag. So, whenever you get this made, plate it up, have a seat at your favorite table, eat it up. Kids, make some for your parents. It's Mother's Day just passed, Father's Day is coming up. Make it for your family. They'll love you for it. All right, don't forget my office hours are 9 to 12, Monday through Friday. My email is toby.sinclair@websterpsb.org, and you can look at websterpsb.org on the COVID-19 portal to get some other activities. Enjoy. That's some good stuff. Thank y'all. Enjoy. Stay safe.